Hello everyone, welcome to day 1 of AI and machine learning playlist. In this video, we will be learning the 3 most important Python libraries every AI and ML must master: NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. These are the core foundation tool you will use in every data science or machine learning project. So make sure you will follow along till the end. Let's start with NumPy. It's help Python handle numbers, array and mathematical operation efficiently. It's the backbone of AI and data science. Now let's understand NumPy with on real machine learning example. We import NumPy and call it NP. This is standard in industry. NumPy gives us fast numerical computation which is essential in AI for handling model, metrics, tangents, loss value, etc. Here we create a NumPy array that store accuracy value from a model training over 5 epoch. Epoch means on full training cycle through the dataset. Look at the number. Accuracy increase every epoch. That sign the model is learning and improving. This is exactly how we track performance in real ML project. In ML, average accuracy help us judge over model stability and performance. Dot mean means gives the average accuracy. In real ML training, we always check best accuracy, best score to evaluate our model's peak performance. Here we use .max return the best accuracy model achieved. We print improvement accuracy -1 and 0. The difference show how much the model improved during training. This simple formula tells us is the model learning or not. A positive improvement means training is successful. Here improvement 0.25 means 25% accuracy gain. Now learn the pandas, the foundation of data handling in machine learning. Before training any models, the most important step is preparing clean structured data. Pandas is the tool we use for that. Here we import pandas as PD for data manipulation. Now create a small student data set. Here is student data. This is very common in ML. Real dataset often have missing values, numbers, categories and labels. We load them into a pandas data frame so we can clean and analyze them. Now check the data quality. We use each null.sum to see how many values are missing. There are missing numeric values, so we use mean for fill missing numeric values. Now you can see that everything is complete. tf.describe gives summary. This helps us understand the distribution of scores. Understanding data before training is core professional habit in ML. And also for feature engineering, we create new features called average score. So in this pandas workflow, we load data and check missing value, clean it, analyze it and create a new features. This is exactly what happens in real AI ML pipeline before we train any model. Matplotlib is the basic Python library we use to see trend and pattern, detect outlier, understand relationship between features. Before training any machine learning models, we must visualize our data. Now let's quickly plot a simple graph with Matplotlib. Here we import library. After that, prepare a data, student, math score, science score. Now we can add size. Now let's plotting. Now set a title for the chart. Label the x-axis is student and the y-axis is score. Legend help us identify each line. Grid make the chart easier to read. And finally, so display the graph. So today we learned NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. Practice this basic, you will understand machine learning and AI much faster.